Presenting the 2008 Chrysler Point Cruiser Touring. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Enjoy these notable features: variably intermittent wipers, 4 speakers, 3.91 axle ratio, occupant sensing airbag, power driver seat, panic alarm, dual front side impact airbags, split folding rear seat, and tachometer. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.